Chart increasing introduction to investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is the art of becoming a part owner of companies, sharing in their growth, profits, and potential. It offers a powerful avenue for building long-term wealth, but also calls for clarity, discipline, and mindfulness. Unlike saving, which preserves value, investing helps your money work for you. Stock prices may rise and fall, influenced by market sentiment, company performance, and global events. But behind each stock is a story of innovation, leadership, and resilience. Before you begin, ask yourself, seedling, what am I investing for? Lightbulb, do I understand the businesses I choose? Direct hit, am I building wealth with purpose and patience? Stocks are not just ticker symbols, they're living representations of real companies, their missions, and their impact. Choosing wisely means balancing opportunity with wisdom, and emotion with analysis. Let your journey be one of learning, growth, and steady confidence. Your first step into the stock market. Begin your investing journey simply, mindfully, and confidently. One. Define your investment objective. Growth, long-term wealth. Income, regular dividends. Speculation, short-term gains. 2. Understand the business. Invest in companies you understand. Peter Lynch principle. Ask, will this product/service still be relevant in 10 years? Chart decreasing. 4. Use technical analysis for timing entry/exit. Support resistance. Moving averages 50/200 DMA. Volume trends. RSI MACD for momentum. 5. Look for moats, competitive advantage. Brand loyalty, e.g., Asian Paints. Network effects, e.g., IRCTC. Cost advantage, e.g., DMart. 6. Diversify your portfolio. Mix of large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Across sectors, IT, FMCG, pharma, banking, infra. 7. Check qualitative factors. Promoter holding, high equals confidence. Corporate governance, no frauds, clean audits. Management quality, visionary and ethical.
Ethan stands by the stock exchange, feeling puzzled by the market's unpredictability. Ethan takes a break in a quiet park, hoping to clear his mind. An elderly man shares his financial wisdom, giving Ethan new insights. Ethan returns with renewed insight, applying a holistic approach to trading. So we're diving into stocks today, making it simple and engaging. Sharing my stock market stories, the ups and downs, to bring these lessons to life. Now let's tackle your questions together, making sure everyone gets it. As they leave,
Buying a stock
I
is
feel
like
proud
owning
knowing they're ready
a
to
slice of a
explore the
company's
stock market.
pizza.